An earthquake with a magnitude of 6.4 on the Richter scale hit Sonitpur in Assam on Wednesday at 7:51 am, said the National Center of Seismology. Tremors were also felt in Assam's capital city, Guwahati, in the morning hours on Wednesday. No injury or casualty was reported, but the quake has caused damage to wall and false ceiling areas in Guwahati's lavish Taj Vivanta. The quake badly shook Tejpur, a city of 1 lakh people about 45 kilometers from the epicenter. Residents said that many people poured onto the streets and some buildings were also damaged. COVID-19 deaths have crossed the 2 lakh mark in India as 3,286 people died of the virus in the last 24 hours. The daily deaths were at a record high on Tuesday in the country as they went above the 3,000 mark since the beginning of the pandemic last year. Only the US, which has recorded 5.7 lakh deaths, Brazil, which has recorded 3.9 lakh deaths, and Mexico, which has recorded 2.15 lakh deaths, have registered the higher death toll. Delhi logged a record 381 COVID-19 deaths on Tuesday, while the positivity rate stood at 32.72% according to a health bulletin. This is the sixth day on the trot that Delhi has recorded over 300 deaths due to coronavirus. The central government on Tuesday appointed April 27, 2021 as the date on which provisions of the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Act 2021 shall come into force. This essentially means that starting Wednesday, Delhi's Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal is now the government in the Union Territory. The President of India, Ramnath Kovind, had on March 28th given assent to the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Act 2021, which enhances the powers of the Lieutenant Governor and limits the elected government's power in Delhi. On March 15, the central government had introduced the bill in the Lok Sabha. It was passed in the Rajya Sabha amid an opposition walkout. Maharashtra on Tuesday reported more than 66,000 fresh coronavirus positive cases and 895 fatalities, taking the tally of infections to more than 44 lakh and the toll to more than 66,000, the state health department said. Mumbai has recorded more than 3,000 new cases and 59 deaths, raising the overall tally to more than 6 lakh and toll to 12,920. A total of 67,752 patients were discharged from hospitals in Maharashtra during the day, taking the number of recoveries to 36,69,548. Of the 895 fatalities, 392 occurred in the last 48 hours and 179 in the last week, while the rest 324 deaths had occurred in the period before the last week. These figures were added to the toll now, the official explained. 4 patients died this morning after a fire broke out at a private hospital near Maharashtra's Thane, around 28 kilometers from the state capital Mumbai. Several others were injured in the fire. The patients died while being shifted to other hospitals after the blaze and not due to burns. They may have inhaled smoke after the fire. The blaze, which broke out at the Prime Criticare Hospital at Kausa in Mumbai at around 3:40 am, has now been brought under control. 3 fire engines and 5 ambulances are at the spot.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.